Time to take the girlfriend to work. I guess first one at the yard this morning. 1, 2, nice. Here we go. Oh, I guess I can turn this off. And we got a Friday doozy for you, okay? We're gonna be doing some welding today. I need my keys. Hello? Look what the cat dragged in. Morning, Al.
Morning.
Yeah, baby. Sun's out. We're gonna go do, have a really Canadian morning right now. Super, super Canadian morning. All right, let's do it.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 large black coffees.
Sure. $3.99.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got a coffee, baby. That's what Canada runs on, coffee. Right, Al?
Absolutely, buddy.
Tire Canadian. So we gotta go to Canadian Tire real quick because we gotta pick up a welding mask for Al because apparently you can't look, you need welding mask or else your eyes will burn. I think he's lying.
Riding on the dizzying heights.
All right, well, we got Al all this safety stuff because apparently, like I said, you know, you need to wear a mask when you weld, and I don't agree with that, you know. Back in the day when we used to weld, we used to just close our eyes and hope for the best. All right, let's go weld. So this is the mask that we ended up getting for Al, and yeah, it's pretty cool actually. I know some of you guys probably know, but it auto darkens, and I'll show you. Actually, I'll put the camera inside and show you guys looking at the sun when it switches over. See, it's normal, and then boom, changes. Normal, there's the sun. Hopefully I get a good look at it. But that's the sun, that little dark spot, and then boop, normal, boop, sun. Yeah, pretty cool. Good news, we got the drone. Shout out to DJI. It was a long process, but you know what? They came to the conclusion that it was a flyaway case. So we're gonna get this thing up in the air right now and get some aerial shots. I love doing drones. Started out with a Spark. Now I have this Mavic 2 Zoom. And yeah, I'm just glad that it wasn't a waste of $2,000. All right, we're ready to fly. This thing is a beast. All right, so we need to weld a little part on the screener that we use to make our topsoil. Now, like, obviously I'm gonna make videos in the future to explaining how we make the topsoil and everything like that, but today we're just doing some maintenance on it, getting stuff welded up. So we need to get the generator into the back of the truck so that it can run the welders. Perfect. You need an extension cord?
Pretty sure it doesn't.
Okay, so what we're doing here, this is the stacker, and then this is the mulcher. Basically, dirt gets fed into this. A belt pushes it down into this. This has a bunch of spinning, like, teeth, metal teeth in it that grinds up chunks and just bigger stuff. It launches it up there. Now what we need to do is this safety bar here, I can't push it up all the way, but this has to get tack welded onto that. Just like that side there. This piece is that piece. So we're gonna set this up. Al's gonna weld her up and we're gonna get all welded up. Let's do it. still pretty cool. So yeah, if any of you guys have ever done any welding, let me know down in the comments below what kind of welder you guys use and what kind of welding that you guys do like. I'm not a professional with welding, that's obviously why Al's doing it. But yeah, let me know what you guys do. If you weld, if you've welded in the field before, if that's what you do for a living, but let me know down in the comments below. Trying to get a thumbnail. Got her all globbed on there. Got her globbed on, Al?
Yeah. It's not pretty.
Not pretty because we, the generator, like I said before, it just doesn't put out enough power, so you have to kind of go in little spurts, which in turn makes the weld not look super beautiful. But we just needed to hold it for safety reasons, and there's actually already one on the other side, like I said, right here. So now we got this one all good, and yeah. Super pumped to start screening topsoil, baby. All right, so we finished up with the welding, and now we're gonna unload all the tools, and Al's got some caulking and stuff to do with the storage, and yeah, we're gonna find some little more projects to prig around here today on a Friday. We're getting her done. I'm having this issue with my tailgate. That's closed. I must have bent it at some point, but I don't know. Anybody in here give me little tips down in the comments. A lot of you guys are way better at this stuff than me, but let me know if I can, how I can realign my tailgate to get it to close properly, because it is completely dicked. Just dicked. Oh, you got it? Okay, completely disregard that whole last section. Al got it. What was the problem?
The latch was stuck.
The latch was stuck. Okay, let's go to the storage, buddy. I'll see you there. The Tundra work truck. I don't know if I filmed that before. Yeah, maybe I have. We've had this since 2010. That wraps up my day. I like doing the things during the day and then getting it out that day so that you guys can get a real feel for what I basically was doing today on this day. So if you watch the whole video, I appreciate it. I appreciate you as always. What you need to do is hit the subscribe button, head over to our Instagram at KWC2000, the watermark in the left-hand corner of your screen. Why not show some support? Why not show some love? It's Friday. Hopefully you guys have an awesome weekend. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and you know what? We got lots coming up in the future, so I shall see you guys on the next one. What, you guys thought I forgot about our secret code? If you watched at the end of the video, I need you guys to comment down below white flash. All right? White flash is today's secret code if you watch the whole thing. Fill those comments full of comments saying white flash, baby. Woo! White flash, baby. Have a good weekend, everybody.